Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today I am going to be showing you my favourite go-to glowy dewy makeup look. So if you'd like to achieve this, keep watching. So the first thing I'm doing is taking my Max Factor Miracle Prep Primer and I'm just applying that all over my face for a perfect flawless base. It is a very affordable primer and it does smell lovely too. I don't feel that you have to buy expensive primers for them to work well. Now I'm taking my L'Oreal Luma Magic Illuminator base. This is such a nice base for your makeup. Once you've put your primer on or your moisturiser or whatever, it just really enhances the glow of your natural skin and it makes the application of the makeup so much nicer. So I definitely recommend this. Now I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. This absolutely is one of the best things I've ever purchased for a base. I would normally apply this before the L'Oreal Illuminator, but I just completely forgot to use it. So we're applying it now. Now I'm taking my Hollywood Flawless Filter Foundation by Charlotte Tilbury. This is my all-time favourite foundation, especially when you're wanting to achieve that glowy, dewy look. This is just absolutely perfect for it, and it really does make you glow more than any foundation I know. And now I'm just taking a normal beauty blender and blending it in. I do really want to try one of those like giant beauty blenders because I've seen them and I've seen people use them and apparently they blend your makeup in a lot better than a normal size, which I can imagine because of how big they are. They like have more of a surface area, but I don't know whether or not to purchase one, so let me know if you think I should. Now I'm taking my Fit Me Concealer by Maybelline. I have tried so many different concealers, high end, like lower end, middle price, and this is honestly my favourite one. No matter which concealer I try, what brand, this is always my all-time favourite. It is really good coverage and it also gives you a really nice glow as well, and I use this in the shade 15. And then, like I did with the foundation, I just blend it in with my normal Beauty Blender sponge. Now I'm taking my Benefit Brow Gel. I don't like to carve my brows or anything like that. I like them natural. They are quite naturally thick, as you can probably see. So I like to just give them a little tint of colour and to just be able to shape them with the brush. Now I'm taking my Revolution Eye Bright Concealer in the shade Deep Caramel. This is being used as a cream contour because apparently it is supposed to be a really good dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's contour wand, but I'm not sure about that because I haven't actually tried Charlotte Tilbury's contour wand yet, so I won't be able to compare them until I get this, but I do actually really like to use this for contour. Now I'm taking my Hoola Benefit bronzer. This is just my favourite bronzer of all time. I've never been able to find a bronzer that works this well for me. It doesn't look orange, it doesn't look too dark brown. It's just perfect and gives you the perfect glow and perfect bronze for your face. Now I'm taking my beauty blender and just giving it a bit of an extra blend just to make sure it's all blended properly. I do like to do this when I've applied bronzer. Now I'm taking the same thing I use for my cream contour and I'm just applying a small amount of that into the crease of my eyelids just to give it a nice shadowing effect. Now I'm taking my Rimmel London Oh My Gloss lip gloss and I'm just applying that onto my lips as normal. I would normally use a lip liner, but I have lost all my lip liners for some reason. And then I'm just taking my Maybelline Lifter Gloss with hyaluronic acid. This is one of my favourite lip glosses and I'm just going over the top for a top coat of that on my lips. So that is the finished look. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you would like to see more beauty videos or more makeup videos, please do comment below and let me know so I know what things people like to see, whether they prefer to see more day in the life videos like my pack with me or more makeup videos. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.